Hello, Justin. It's Monday, April 13th. And in a weird turn of events, an actual weird turn of events, I left that door open because I didn't feel like closing it. So, fun adventure times? The first thing to address, Justin, is the fact that you have decided to change your day if it's okay with me. How dare you! I am greatly offended! Nah, I don't care. Post it when you can. I feel like even if I were to say no, keep it on Friday, you would just be posting on Saturday anyway, because that's when you have time, so of course you're going to post then. I'm lucky in the fact that I don't really do a lot on Monday. I have the morning class that I don't talk about. I talk about all the time, actually. I complain about mostly. And then band in the evening. It means that I have time to film, edit, and upload all in the same day, which I seem to have a tendency to do. So by all means, if it's easier for you to post on Saturday, then post on Saturday. Now, the other thing you talked about in your video was the weather and how you didn't like it. Now, when you talk about how you don't like precipitation, I actually had a couple of thoughts, though none of them having to do with farmers. The first one was that if it was sunny all the time, then that would be boring, so I don't want it to be sunny all the time, so I guess that's something we don't agree on. But I also thought about how without water falling from the sky, then we wouldn't have crops, and without crops, then we wouldn't have food. And I don't know about you, Justin, but I really like food. So, I am perfectly content with having water fall from the sky. I also just really like it when it rains as long as it's warm and not cold. Because quite frankly, if it's going to be cold and some kind of precipitation is going to fall from the sky, then it might as well be snow, because then it won't make me all damp and depressed. So, that's my feelings on that subject. But I will agree with you that I don't like it when they all happen on the same day, because that's just ridiculous. But it's true what they say, if you don't like the weather, just wait 5 minutes. And before I sign off, I want to quickly address the idea of small talk. Now, I recognize the fact that you did that just to kind of segue into talking about the weather and how you don't like it, but I can use that also to segue into how I don't like small talk. I am an introvert. That is a thing that you've known for a while, and that's the thing that I've known for a while. And I see all of these lists on the internets about introverts and about, here's the things that introverts don't like, and here's the thing that you won't like if you're an introvert, here's how you might be an introvert. And I read a lot of those, and I noticed that a lot of them seem to have similar things. And one of those things that pop up a lot is that introverts don't like small talk. And this is certainly true for me. I don't quite know what it is. I guess it's just that it's, to me, really awkward to just sit down and have small talk. If you don't have anything to say, you don't talk, and that's fine. Although, that might just be my opinion. Maybe it's just because small talk is ingrained in my head as something you do with strangers, and I'm not good at talking to people I don't know. But whatever the reason, I just don't like small talk. I would rather just sit in silence than have awkward small talk conversation. And I don't know if you feel the same way. I don't know how you feel about small talk, so you can let me know in your video on Saturday, if you so choose. And as for me, that's really all I have to say today. So, I guess I will see you on Saturday. How's that for an awkward ending?